Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I am. My little doggy on my lap. She is like the sweetest thing ever. You guys haven't seen her in a while. If you remember that we got a new dog about back in October sometime, Cleo, and she is big. She is such a brat, but she's so sweet. We're not talking about dogs today. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited because I haven't done one of these in such a long time, and I've been getting boxes. I just don't review them. And what is my hair doing? Anyway, if you guys want to see what I received in this month's box, which is for the month of March, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I think I want to start doing my Boxycharm unboxings. If you guys want to see them, I'm going to start trying on the products. I kind of messed up and I forgot to open this box yesterday to see what was in it. I did my makeup and then I looked. So there's some products that I won't be able to use because of the makeup situation that I have going on, but we will try the other ones. This month's box is called Vacation, which kind of reminds me of that new launch with Morphe and Bretman Rock. I think they call it something like that, like Bay something. Anyway, so we have here all the prices as usual, how much they are, yada yada yada. So first thing we have here is the BELLAPIERRE Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. This one retails for $20. It is a full-size product. I typically don't like mascaras, but I do like to try them out, especially for my lower lashes. The packaging is pretty cute. I mean, it's pretty simple, you know? I feel like I'm gonna like this mascara. These are the kind of ones that I like. I don't like those plastic ones. I can't. Next up is the Vintage Cosmetic Company. These are their smoky eye brush sets. Now these retail for $23.15. The packaging is pretty cute. It's definitely like vintage. So here we have the brushes. These are pretty cute. I don't know that these are my kind of brushes that I use. Like this one right here is more of an angled brush. Don't really care for those. I don't like how they pack on the color, and then these are just small little brushes that you can use to pack on any color on the lid. I do like these. Honestly, I have about 1 million of them. So we're just going to set this little set aside. Next up is this pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. It retails for $26. This is in the shade Prime Vixen, I think. I'm not sure. Let's try this one. Now, these are not my kind of pinks. I don't ever wear these pinks. They don't go with me. Oh, honey, that's pigmented. Do you guys see that? Oh. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. So there we are with a blush on. It's actually pretty, but not my thing. So I am going to pass on this one as well. Oh, I'm so bummed out, but I love the packaging. I really, really do. Next up, we have the South Main 3-Eye Gel Pack. Woohoo! I love these. This one retails for $10. This product claims to soften and moisturize your eyes to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. Okay, so this is what they look like, and on the back it shows you under eye gels and it tells you how to apply them. So it is obviously a 3-pack. I love these. I'm not going to use them today obviously because I have makeup on, but maybe I can film a tutorial tomorrow and I will add these to the video. The last thing that we have on here is Pure the Complexion Authority. This is by Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm. Ooh, That is so much fun. So this retails for $36. This is a collab, or whatever you guys want to call it, with Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So there it is. My hands are all dirty now, but I did the math for you guys, and the total for this month's box is $115 with 15 cents. And you only paid $21 a month for full-size products that are name brands and that are worth way more than the box. If you guys are still hesitant, try out Boxycharm. Trust me, you're going to love it. I have a lot of my family members hooked because I'm like, it's 20 bucks a month. You get so many items. It's worth it. So that wraps it up for today's video. If you guys want to see next time another unboxing, this time wearing or trying out the products as I review them or as I open them, let me know, because I would love to like do it a little bit different. I know that Kathleen does it like that, so I know. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.